Most people get this wrong. Kitchen countertop height and depth explained. Dear friends, when designing a kitchen, getting the countertop dimensions right is essential for comfort and efficiency. The standard kitchen countertop height is typically 34 to 36 inches, 860 to 915 millimeters, from the finished floor level. This height suits most users and allows comfortable food preparation without straining your back or shoulders. However, the ideal height can vary depending on the user's height. For taller individuals, slightly higher countertops may be more ergonomic, while shorter users may prefer a slightly lower surface. Customizing this height can significantly improve day-to-day usability, especially in frequently used kitchens. Coming to depth, the standard kitchen countertop depth is usually 24 inches, 600 mm. This dimension is designed to align with standard base cabinets and ensures easy access to the backsplash and wall cabinets. It also provides sufficient workspace for food prep, small appliances, and cleaning tasks. In modern kitchens, especially modular or luxury designs, the depth may be increased to 25 to 27 inches, 635 to 685 millimeters, for extra workspace or to accommodate built-in appliances. Similarly, kitchen islands often have greater depth, sometimes extending up to 36 inches, 900 millimeters, or more. Ultimately, while these standard dimensions work well for most homes, always consider user comfort, kitchen layout, and appliance sizes. A well-planned countertop ensures both functionality and a pleasant cooking experience. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.